You're supposed to be a...
Sorry. Happy Tuesday. Ugh, I'm really tired, guys. It's the end of the day. Happy Tuesday, October 7th. Bro, we almost didn't make a vlog today. Challenge, not almost done. But, you know, when I start doing something like this, I'm like pretty determined to like get the challenge going. Like when they do it at our yoga studio and stuff, I love when they do these type of challenges, when there's competitions. So this is a challenge with myself to keep it going. Day 7, Vlogtober. Because I didn't record anything today, we are doing another food video. And it's actually something I've made on the vlog before, but you know what? We have it for dinner here a lot. Maybe once a week. And if we're not having the actual dish for dinner, I'm making it into something else. Can you guess? You already know what I'm going to say? Chicken adobo. That's right. And if I'm not making chicken adobo for dinner, I'm taking the leftovers and I'm making it into adobo tacos. I will maybe make that video another day, but today we are making the adobo. So step 1 for adobo tacos is making adobo.
Why did you keep saying no? You said no, no, no.
Because I thought it would be real, but it wasn't.
What's real?
The double taco, but it wasn't.
No, it is real. We will have adobo tacos.
I always make adobo first
We're just-
and then adobo tacos with the leftovers.
We're not having it tonight. We're having regular adobo tonight.
Brown adobo with rice.
Oh.
Feel better?
What I love about making chicken adobo is that there are only so many ingredients. You start off by chopping up maybe 8 to 12 cloves of garlic, cubing up some boneless chicken thigh, and then heating up your pan with some oil. Add in that garlic, you know, do that for maybe, I don't know, a few minutes. I'm really bad at remembering this stuff. I just do this all the time, so I kind of just know. And then you brown your chicken. You add in your boneless, skinless chicken thigh, and you kind of evenly distribute it at the bottom of the pan to cover it in the garlic and the oil. And then I like to, you know, get all the pieces cooked at least on the outside before adding your wet ingredients. I like to use the Filipino branded vinegar and soy sauce. I'm using Datu Puti today. You add in the vinegar and the soy sauce, 1 cup each, to your pot. And then I like to sprinkle a ton of pepper on there. More pepper the better, I say. And then dried bay leaves. I put in a few into the pot, give it a nice stir, and then cover it. I let it sit for 10 minutes, boiling, simmering, I guess, at like a medium to low. And then after 10 minutes, then I touch it, stir the pot. I kind of nailed the timpla at this point, so I don't add more water or anything at this point. Some people do, but I let it simmer for maybe another 10 to 15 more minutes, just to, you know, really make sure the chicken is cooked, and just, you know, make sure that it is at the timpla. I don't know how to say that. I don't know what that word means in English, but I will drop it on the screen, and after about 25 to 30 minutes, you're pretty much done. You serve that over white rice. You know, as Filipinos, we love rice, and a lot of sabaw. That's why you'll see, like, I use a cup of vinegar and a cup of soy sauce, because my kids really like the sabaw, and then I serve it with banana.
Dun. Making a tidal wave, making an animal, or fighting a...
Driving your sister insane.
Bananas! I feel like there's a whole lot of stuff to do. Just fall down. No, come on, Perry. Just stick with us, cause Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all. Mom, just stick with us, cause Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all. Mom, Phineas and Ferb makes us house sequence. You skipped all that stuff.
How's your adobo?
Let me try it yet. Let me try it.
It's awesome.
Let me try it. Let me try it. Amazing.
Amazing.
Let me try.
Is it what you wanted? Okay.
It's not good. It's awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's everything in the world.
Thank you. Thank you. Alrighty, we'll say goodbye to our friends. That's
like
for
Frosted
today's
Flakes.
vlog, guys.
Bye.